In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Discord channel or category. If you're organizing your Discord server and want things to appear in a better order, this is a very simple process. Moving channels and categories can help make your server easier to navigate, especially if you're cleaning things up, grouping similar content together, or making your most important sections easier for members to find. To get started, go to your Discord dashboard. This is the main Discord interface where you can see your servers and, inside the selected server, the list of channels and categories in the sidebar. Make sure you're in the correct server before making any changes, since the channel list on the left is specific to whichever server you currently have open. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar where your channels and categories are listed. This is where you'll make the adjustment. To move a channel or an entire category, simply click and hold the item you want to move. Keep holding your mouse button down, then drag it upward or downward until it reaches the position you want. As you drag, pay attention to where the item is being placed. Discord will show you where it's going to land, which makes it easier to avoid dropping it in the wrong spot. If you're moving a category, the same action applies. Click, hold, and drag it to a new position in the list. If you're moving a channel, just make sure you place it where it makes the most sense within your server structure. Take your time with this step, especially if your server has a lot of sections. A small adjustment can make a big difference in how organized everything feels. If the placement doesn't look right after you drop it, you can simply click and drag it again until you're happy with the layout. That's really all there is to it. Discord makes rearranging channels and categories quick and intuitive, so you can easily customize your server layout whenever needed. This is especially helpful if your server is growing and you want to keep things clean, logical, and user-friendly. After you've finished moving everything into place, just review the sidebar and make sure the order matches how you want members to experience the server. A well-organized channel list can make your community feel much more polished and easier to use. And that's how to move a Discord channel or category.